Shalom and welcome to Mitzvah Torah. This year is entitled Conversion in Israel, Part 1, March 1st, 2001. Supreme Court ruled that Israel must accept as Jewish one who's converted through reform or conservative conversion. The role of the Supreme Court here in Israel is highly controversial for them to get involved in psak issues where they're deciding who's Jewish or not, nothing to do with halacha. They're not grounded in halacha. It's a quote legal issue, and it's just a very problematic issue here in general. It's the Supreme Court, what their role is, and who knows what our future is going to be, where you have Democratic parties, you have halacha, and then you have the Supreme Court. You may not even represent a majority. Let's say you have Tel Aviv, and they say, we want to have Shabbat, that we could go on the buses, and the buses should run. So it's a democratic issue. And yes, we know there's conflict between halacha and what different communities want. That has to be worked out here. What percentage do we have conservative reform? So the Supreme Court is its own world. So there's a lot discussed about how the system is set up, and it's very, very upsetting that we have a movement which certainly has this challenge, to put it mildly, and they go ahead and now they can decide who's Jewish or not. Halachically, where we are regarding conversion. So you need to have a Beit Din, 3 Orthodox Jews, Talmidei Chacham, 3 men constitute a Beit Din. And that's what's crucial for conversion, to discuss with the people, what the convert, what he or she wants, to be there at the time of the conversion. And during the process, you're sure you want to go ahead and be involved in this process. It's a big responsibility, 613 mitzvot. Not everyone loves us. Yes, I want this. And then right at the time of the conversion, again, to say this right by the mikvah, yes, I want this all, I accept this all. So 2 things are absolutely crucial. You have to have a Beit Din, 3 men, themselves, of course, observant, religious, committed Jews, and the time of the conversion and before as well is an acceptance of the mitzvah. We don't have those 2 elements. According to Halacha Shulchan Aruch, there is no conversion. And that's not what's going on with conservative reform conversion. You don't have a Beit Din of 3. You don't have acceptance of the 613 mitzvot, because that's not what they subscribe to. So halachically, we're in a very big problem here, where Jew people are going to be called Jews, but according to Shulchan Aruch, they're not. We're going to explore this topic in the next few shiurim.